Ayan guys, may decoration guys. Coconut rabbit. Cutting fruits. Yan. May cute one rabbit. Alright. Oh. Very nice. Oh. My cute rabbit and egg rabbit and coconut fruits design. Ang designer ko guys, yan ang pagkuan ko guys. Oh, very cute ang aking cute kayo ang rabbit egg with fruits na coconut, kiwi and orange and banana.